So, to start today's differential gene expression class 2. In the last class, we have seen that these nucleosomes, they are modified by enzymes known as histone acetylases or HACs. Function of this enzyme is to acetylate histone tails. This results in a loose conformation of chromatin. This loose conformation of chromatin, it will give access to transcription factors, that is DNA elements will be exposed. The opposite thing takes place when methylases bind. Methylases or CH3 group, they condense methylate histone tails. They condense the chromatin. So this was what we had discussed last day about access to histone tails. Today we will study about this regulatory element promoters and enhancers. Promoters and enhancers. এখানে নাম লিখে দাও। So let us look at the structure of a gene. This region, say, is the promoter. May have got a region known as the Tata box. much upstream or much downstream, there are again these promoters may have got certain regulatory elements where certain transcription factors or proteins bind. Transcription factors and these are cis regulatory elements. Certain transcription factors or proteins bind. Much upstream, you may have regions known as enhancers. To enhancers also, there are transcription factors, proteins, which bind to start enhanced transcription. Now the whole thing I am not taking into consideration of anything of the nucleosome at this moment. Now it happens, this is it folds. Promoter, promoter with regulatory elements. This is say exon 1, intron 1, exon 2. It can fold. That is, you may find some factors which bind to enhancers. And here also RNA polymerase, RNAP2, RNA polymerase 2 and other transcription factors may bind. Resulting is there is a folding of the chromatin, and over here some additional factors known as mediators come and bind. And this type of a complex, it is known as enhantiosome. So this is, we know that this is how mediators come and bind, enantiosomes form, and bind. Now, there are several, this whole thing can be tightly compacted in this whole thing can be compacted in nucleosome. So once when it's in nucleosome, normally transcription starts from this site. In nucleosome, since these protein factors cannot bind, there is no transcription factor. So initially, enzymes which are induced under particular developmental condition and cues, they come and they cause certain changes for expression. This results in a displacement, and you can see that the promoter over here gets access. Similarly, the nucleosome is over here, the enhancer, this also gets access, also gives access to transcription factors. And result is there may be nucleosomes in between, but they are displaced further away. The critical regions are kept free. These complexes they bind and displace nucleosomes. They move away. And these little things which attach this enhancer binding factors with the transcription factors and RNA polymerase are known as mediators. It can very well be that at a particular developmental stage, certain transcription factors enhancer binding proteins and mediators may be present. And the opposite to it, they may be present or they may not be present. If they are not present, then there is no transcription. So this is how differential gene expression takes place. at a particular, say at the 5 cell stage, say 8 cell stage, XYZ transcription factors, mediators, binders are present, EBPs are present. And at a 16 cell stage, they are not present. Something else, maybe ABC are present. So ABC will bind to different elements of different genes. XYZ may bind to different elements of different promoters. ABC may bind for example, ABC transcription factors. Say this is stage 8. They bind to genes alpha, beta and gamma. That means alpha, beta, gamma are expressed in stage 8. Now, stage 16, ABC is not expressed. Not expressed. This means no expression of alpha, beta and gamma. Clear? It is not expressed. ABC regulates or regulation takes place maybe because of some environmental condition. Now at this stage, maybe EFG is expressed. This binds to epsilon, pi, epsilon, theta and say pi. These three genes. So epsilon, theta and pi are expressed. So at different stages, you have different sets of genes differentially regulated. One mechanism is formation of an enzyme enhancer. বুঝতে পেরেছো? তাহলে আজকে এটা থাকুক এখানে। Next day we will talk with about